Okay, so we're going to be taking a look at standards, specifically the ISTE International Standards, as well as the State of Texas State Standards. The ISTE Standards, formerly known as the NETS, were most recently changed in 2007, and what they represent are the skills needed by students, teachers, and administrators to teach 21st century students technology applications. They are very broad, and they are broken up into 6 strands, at least for the students, and it provides a framework for schools and teachers to be able to show exactly what students need to be able to do with regard to technology. Now, in the state of Texas, for the 2012-2013 school year, there was an update to the TEKS, and this looks strikingly similar to our international standards, and that's not an accident. In fact, the state of Texas freely admits that they pretty much ripped it off. And what you will see is that the TEKS have changed from the most recent version, the 1998, I believe, to now the 2012 and beyond, to reflect the international standards. This is true for elementary, it's true for middle school, and it's somewhat true for high school. High school is a little bit different because there's actually state standards in there for the technology-specific classes, whether it be webmastery or whatnot. Let's go take a look real quick at the TEKS and compare those to the international standards, and let's see exactly what we find. Okay, so looking over here, this is the TEKS for chapters 126. This is going to be skills for technology applications. Let's go down here and take a look at one of the PDFs. I'm going to look at middle school. When I look at middle school, you bring it up, it shows, okay, this went into effect 2012, 2013. And if you go down, you'll notice that they fully admit that it is based on the NETS, or as we call it now, the international standards. So when you look through, you're going to see basically the 6 strands of the international standards: creativity and innovation, communication and collaboration, research and informational fluency, critical thinking, problem solving, decision making, digital citizenship, and finally technology operations and concepts. Now, not all of the 6 strands are complete for every age group of students: elementary, middle school, high school. Okay, so let's take a look here at the spreadsheet that I've created that compares the TEKS to the NETS. Actually, we call those the international standards now. I need to update this. This is just for middle school, but it's just shown to kind of illustrate the comparison, the crossover here. If you look here in column A, you'll see all of the TEKS in chapter 126 for grades 6 through 8. And then if you look across the top, you'll see our 6 strands for the international standards: creativity and innovation, all the way through technology, operation, and concepts. And what you will see is every time you see an X, you'll see where there's an exact carryover here. And so if you look through these, you'll be able to see exactly which international standards need to be hit according to the state of Texas for grades 6 through 8. And this is just one example. You could do this for elementary. You can certainly do this for at least part of the high school TEKS, but this just shows an overlap or a comparison between what the state of Texas says that we need to do and what the International Society for Technology and Education says that we need to do. So hopefully this is helpful to you.